Beautiful Senado Square in beautiful Macau. Walk around Macau, up and down and all around. Walk around Macau.
Have a better view of that, but it says Largo do Senado Square. So we're going to be kind of checking out this whole area. I'll tell you a lot more about it when we get into it, but this is basically what we're going to get into. There's a nice beautiful way that goes all the way down to what would have been the ships would have received. And we have other areas here, including this big sun model, this beautiful boulevard goes all the way down. So this Senado Square is off of this boulevard. And let's just get right into it. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are as well. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Oh, the black and white tiles. Just kind of walk in like that. Okay, so we're going to get into this Senado Square. I saw some old pictures of it. This used to actually be like a roundabout with cars all in here, and they can drive up here. And then they did all this kind of black and white tiles everywhere. And they created this whole other feeling to it. So now it has a strong European vibe. Tourists come over here all the time. And this one will continually be changed. We'll see what it comes. But sometimes it's a fountain, other times it's like a garden. They'll put different stuff. But anyways, these are some of the beautiful buildings that make you feel like you're in Portugal when people are in Macau. That's the post office right there. So we are going to take a little walk into here. Kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. This is Senado Square. There's a lot of history right in here as well. We're going to show you some of that in a moment. When the lights come down, which is right about now, it'll look really beautiful. This right here is Santa Casa de Misericordia. There's a, I think it's one of the first buildings that came up in Macau, and I think it was originally like where nuns had a orphanage. I guess there's a lot of orphanages in Macau a long time ago. We're going to show you that in a second. But they have all these beautiful colonial buildings everywhere. That building straight ahead is the Royal Senate, Loyal Senate. Okay, so we're gonna show you this little thing in a moment. This is a Holy House of Mercy. So this is the one that's 1569, constructed in the was constructed. Okay, so originally established by the first bishop. Well, 1569. I'm kind of confused now. There's mate up there, M8. It sounded like it said some, I don't know if it was reconstructed or constructed in 1900s. I thought it was 1569 or whatever. Might have to look that up myself later. Okay, this is all part of Senado Square. Way down to the sides are like a Mercado area. So it'd be like Sao Domingo's Mercado. Gotta get around some more people. Yeah. Okay. Popular Pharmacia. Let's stroll through here a little bit. Yeah, it definitely gives you a strong Portuguese feel, right? And it's beautiful when the lighting first comes down, which is right now, so we're capturing some of that feel. There's our street sign. We're gonna go over to that sign real quick. That'll probably be the thumbnail. Largo di Senado. And yeah, these kind of black and white tiles. Okay. Okay, let's keep on going down. I think there's a thing up here. I think they have the national games coming up pretty soon, so that there's a sign up there that says 8. So I think it's like 8 days until the national games. I think that's November 1 today, so I think it starts November 8. Up there is Say Cathedral and also Grand Lisboa Casino. It's in the background there. Okay. So Sao Domingos is one that a lot of people will film in this area. It's kind of surprising when you see it. Like you don't quite expect it. There's a National Games one. I got some music. I'm going to try to get away from the music. There's Sao Domingos. I'm going to just come up a little bit closer to that. There we go. I'm going to try to capture it from the side here. Yeah, this is a beautiful building when you catch it from the side and those big doors. So, okay. Some nice trees right there too. Some nice palm trees. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're going to stroll down through the middle. Kind of crowded. Yeah, this is Senado Square. And we'll go back so you can see what it looks like. All of the architecture and such. So yep, all of Senado Square. Senado is like Senate, so that's where the Senate was at, the Royal Senate. And we also have these really nice buildings everywhere too. Okay. Okay. So that's a slice of Macau right there. There we go. This is what it looks like a little bit later at night. So now all the lights are completely, so you can kind of have this, you know, like pink glow, yellow glow, green glow, so different kind of colors illuminating. Okay. So I'll just kind of turn around as soon as I get past other people. There we go. There we go. Senado Square.